Hi, I'm Scott, co-founder and COO of CloneForce, and in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up a new connection in Clone Studio. Connections are the backbone of how your clones interact with external platforms like Google, HubSpot, Zoho, and more. Let's get started. Let's walk through the process of setting up a new Salesforce connection in Clone Studio. First, move your mouse to the left sidebar and click on the Connections tab. You'll see a list of all your authenticated accounts. This is where you manage the connections that power your clone's skills. Take a moment to review the list. You'll notice each connection is labeled with the platform's logo and a verification status. If you ever need to check which skills are using a connection, you can see that right here in the list. Now, move your mouse to the top right corner and click the blue New Connection button. This opens the Select Platform window in the center of your screen. In this window, you'll see a list of platforms you can connect to Clone Studio. Scroll down the list until you find Salesforce. You'll notice the Salesforce logo and a short description. Connect and access your Salesforce instance. Hover your mouse over the blue Select button next to Salesforce, then click it to begin the connection process. Now, the Salesforce Apps and Permissions dialog appears. At the top, there's a field labeled Connection Name. Click inside this field and type a name you'll recognize later, something descriptive like Salesforce, Marketing, or Salesforce Main Org. Below that, you'll see the API permission is enabled by default. If you want to see more details, click Show Permissions to expand and review what's being requested. Once you've confirmed the connection name and reviewed the permissions, move your mouse to the bottom right and click the blue Connect button. You'll be redirected to Salesforce to authorize access. At the center of the screen, you'll see the Salesforce logo and a prompt titled Allow Access. Review the permissions Clone App is requesting, then move your mouse to the blue Allow button and click it. If your Salesforce account has two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to complete your 2FA method now, such as entering a code from your Authenticator app or confirming a push notification. Once you've finished authorization, you'll be brought back to Clone Studio, and your new connection will appear in the list as verified. Pause for a moment to make sure everything looks correct and you're ready to move on. In the next video, we'll cover how to apply your new Salesforce connection to a skill so your clones can start automating real work for you. Remember, Clone Studio is designed to give you the power to schedule and delegate workloads to your digital teammates, freeing up your time and multiplying your team's productivity. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.